Okay, so I have this squeaky noise, and it only happens when I turn. And I'm going to try to record a little video of it with my girlfriend here to drive my kick-ass Jeep. Alright, go ahead. Slow down. Right there. Hopefully y'all can, it's picking up the sound. And that's the sound I hear. So tell me what you think. Maybe it's a bushing or something, or alright, that's good. Okay, you just want to drive. Maybe it's the wide tires making that sound or something. I don't know. Just comment, let me know what you think it is. It's got some wide tires on there. Anyways, later.